Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Facebook. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your device and log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials. Now, after you have logged into your account, you will be taken into your homepage from which you can scroll through the newsfeed. Now, from this page, if you wish to change your password, tap on your account icon at the top right corner underneath the messenger icon. You will then be taken into the menu option from which you can tap on the gear icon at the top right. This will then take you into the settings and privacy page. From here, tap on see more in account center and you will be taken into your account center page. From this page, scroll down and underneath account settings, tap on password and security. Now, from the password page, you can tap on the change password button to change your account password. After choosing your account, you will be asked to enter your current password. Go ahead and type in your current password first and then enter your desired new password. After typing in your new password, you will need to type it in once again to confirm it, and then finally you can tap on the change password button, which will change your password right away. In case you don't remember your current password, you can tap on the forgotten password button to reset your password using your login credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.